Yeah, pretty stoked.
What is going on, YouTube? We are installing a bunch of stuff on Corey's brand new Can-Am X3 XRS. It's a 2023. Yeah, so we got 200 miles on it. But the last time we went out, I'll have it linked below and up in the corner. The rear shock pretty much exploded. Like this top of the shock on the coilover.
She's spitting, dude.
It's
That's
leaking.
for sure. So this frame, full frame, full doors, bro, which is kind of rad, honestly. Dirt Specialties, they had the best rating that I had seen. They're out of California. Yeah, I think we're with some quality stuff, honestly.
So this is the frame for the whole door.
Yeah.
So it is a whole frame. So I've seen some that like, it's just like a shell essentially, and you use your same hardware, and what it does is clamps here, and then it just extends down to the bottom and fills in the whole lower door. But this one uses its whole own frame for it. So then this will be either the frame. Is this the actual shell of it?
This is the shell.
Good shipping.
Yeah. They did a good job, honestly. FedEx did this side of it.
It's the moment you get like that brand new scratch on your new part, you know?
Yep. Well, that's why I don't have a windshield, man. It was cracked when they sent it.
I accidentally took mine to the car wash. It was in the back of my truck.
There's the windshield. So, yeah, honestly, it's pretty dope, dude.
It's aluminum.
Yeah, they did a good job, man. Pretty impressed.
It's Dirt Industries. There's this thing.
Dirt Specialties, right?
Yeah, Dirt Specialties.
You got them off Amazon?
Yeah, no, I was just f***ing around on the web, the internet, the web.
Oh, they give you a bunch of stuff. I think you get a whole new handle too, dude.
All right, so we got the passenger side door off, took it off. The strap that holds the door on, had a little issue with that, we just had to cut it.
Explain why we cut it.
So, come here.
Here, he cut this one already.
So on this one, so you already cut this, right? So you got this rivet going in the door on your factory door. The rivet, I mean, Can-Am did good. It's a solid rivet. We tried drilling out on that side. It went bad. The bit broke on us. Yeah. So we're just gonna cut it here. So when you come over here to the new doors we're putting on, Can-Am has this in here, right? This bolt hole. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna re-drill the strap, put a washer on the back of it. That way your door doesn't fly open and bend your new doors.
Right.
So that's the step that we're there. Now when it comes to taking these doors off, super simple. Get rid of your strap, get your ratchet, take these two off.
What size were them Johnnies?
I don't even remember. I eyeballed it. Good eyes. All right, so
figure it out.
Figure it out. You just gotta look at it. You gotta know what you're doing and then do it. So then you flip that, turn it, and your door just slides right up and out.
Yeah, because it's just on a peg. I know the lighting's kind of crap, but there's a peg down in here that it sits on with like a nylon washer on the bottom. I can see that a little bit better. But as you can see, Corey's putting the other side on now.
Trying to.
So doors are pretty much plug and play. Everything works out.
Yeah. All right, I guess we don't need the mallet.
Honestly, that worked out way better. I just want to
It's that liquid wrench, dude.
Well, thank God we did that, bro. That's why I was like, I think we need to lubricate this. All right, so we're rolling.
All right, so it turns out, because we suck at reading instructions, that you gotta use that factory bracket thing to bolt it back on. That comes off your factory doors, which is sitting over there.
All right, so Jake gave me the camera. So this is what we're talking about. Take your factory bracket, put it on your aftermarket door, and then right where he's working, I don't know if you can see.
You got those.
So how he's got that in there, it's a factory bracket from your doors. Put on these tube doors he got from
Dirt Specialties?
Yeah, Dirt Specialties. And then Jake also gave me this, so we have power tools and
We actually have in the 21st
access to the
century.
camera. So working on lights though.
So we took the other X3 hardware from the factory out of here and actually hooked this back up here. It actually is plug and play, bolt on stuff, which I'm going to have to, after we run it a couple times, probably tighten these back down because obviously this is a little crooked, but it actually works perfectly. And they come with their actual own setup for a door handle, which squeezes this way, which I'll mess with here in a minute, but at least this works. And now we'll do the other side, throw this door skin on, and then I'll rip it tomorrow probably and tighten everything back up. So
And this side, this is where he just mounted that too. So obviously nothing's here now, but Run down, click there, get your strap.
But I feel it's a quality product, so honestly, it's been good.
All right, guys, so we're over here about to take off the door latch from the factory doors.
Yeah, so you got one Torx bit that holds this jack. Pull that out. All right, so then you gotta take an Allen bit and get in here like so. Kind of a pain in the ass.
So far, super easy. Everything from the factory door pretty much goes onto that. That's where your door hinge comes from. Locking mechanism.
And then you take these two Johnnies. I don't think we even use this one, so just kidding.
All right, so we're back with the door. We got the outer panel put onto the tube frame we were looking at earlier. It was installed.
It's actually gone pretty well, man. Pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, honestly. I'm just snugging these back up. I know I'm gonna have to rip it and make sure everything is on there tight. And then I know it's gonna shift, so we're gonna have to go back through this. But I'm pretty impressed with how well it fit, honestly, because we've had some Can-Am stuff, obviously, that we're having some issues with. So this is a secondary company. Aftermarket, Dirt Specialties. Good door, man. I feel like
And until the day that Can-Am decides to actually sponsor us, then we're going to shout out these little guys because their stuff fits good.
it does, dude.
It
They
works
did a
out
good
pretty
job.
well, good quality.
Yep.
And what,
Anyway.
I mean, they did good with this body line.
I think it looks dope, dude. Don't you?
Yeah.
And it fits perfect here, the cutouts, everything. So pretty impressed, man.
All right, so we got the doors on both sides. They look pretty badass. It definitely makes it look a little more sporty.
Once it's clean, I think it'll look even better because the black on this right now is dust. It's dust black, dude.
It's kind of nice that this decal's here though, that because it kind of offsets it, so it's not just like two-tone.
Yeah.
It fades it into another. Yeah, it looks sick. All right, so that's gonna wrap up this video. We're gonna install some other stuff on it. I don't know if we're gonna get to it tonight or not, but that will be in another video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that thumbs up. Really helps out the channel. It costs you literally nothing. And if you guys like side-by-side content, go ahead, subscribe, turn on that bell so you don't miss notifications. Until next time. I covered the thing up.